So in this video, I'll show you guys how to enter referral codes on Temu the right way. The first thing you want to do is just go to the App Store and search up Temu. And make sure you have it downloaded. Once you have it downloaded, just click on Open. Then go to click on You. Then click on the settings on the top. Then right here, you'll see all these different things. So what you want to do is just go to Country and Region and make sure it's selected to United States. Once you're here, just go all the way back to Home. And you can either use the search bar or categories. Then just search up the code that someone sent you or the code that you're sending to someone. So the code might be anything like this or like a number. And once you have the number or code, all you have to do is just click search. And you should be able to see if you have the right code. This code, I just randomly typed it out.